Do you know Rwanda?
I know Rwanda, but I never been there. I hear a lot of things. Like first of all, you have a very good president, and he do a lot for the country. And I think so. For what I heard from him, most of the president have to learn from him and do the same thing for his own population. Because if you're talking about Rwandese people, they say he changed completely the country. And if you see what the country used to look like and today, I think so, is a big example for each Africans. Like I have to say to him to thank you for what he did for Africa. And he been to Senegal so long, but I was not there. I know he's a very good friend for our president. And like what I always say, he's a legend so far.
Yep. In a football in Rwanda.
In football, I don't know. I don't know, but if I have just like advice to tell him what football can do in Africa, nothing can do it. I tell him, I want to say to him, just like to help the youngsters to can make it, because if you have the infrastructure like facility to the good facility for the boys to playing football, basketball, tennis, you can be like Senegal to having maybe next time the new Samuel Eto'o, the new El-Hadji Diouf or Didier Drogba gonna come from to your country, but all is about like facility, give them the opportunity to do what they want to do.
Thank you so much, El-Hadji Diouf.
You're welcome. Flash TV on the building with El-Hadji Diouf. Peace.
Thank you, Freddy Kola from Canal Plus. Thank you, cameraman. Ciao.